Staðan var eitthvað hella djam. Bara teipið á hausnum sér.
Was ist los? Es ist Party angesagt.
Die Saison ist eröffnet, es ist ein wahres Spektakel, denn alle kommen, weil es abgeht. Das ist eine riesengroße Party, reißt die Arme in den Himmel und schwenkt sie über.
Wir sind erst am bara með klósett. Geðveikt að vera bara með klósett.
Alles, was wir lieben, wir lassen uns das Gottverdammte feiern nicht verbieten. Wie ein kranker Haufen raufen wir uns Atzen, lasst es krachen. Die Spießer sind geschockt und packen ganz schnell ihre Sachen. Wir lassen uns nicht verarschen, wir tanzen und wir toben. Hebt die Hände nach oben und dann lasst uns Disco proben.
Ok, við ætlum að taka öll skál saman. Disco Pogo.
Ok, nei. Árís, bursti fokkin skókað.
Ok, vídeoblogg nr. 3. Ég er á barinn með með nýju jaðarskott af því að við keyptum jaðarskott. Jaðarskott kostar ekki nema 8 evrur, 9 stykki í supermarket, en það kostar skilur 3 evrur eða eitthvað hannig í á barnum. Þannig að Matti sendi mig hingað til að ná í restina og við erum að fara að hella með Desperados, a la Costa skilur og þannig. Þetta er búið að vera 40 sekúndna myndband.
Disco Pogo, Ding-a-ling-a-ling, Ding-a-ling-a-ling, und alle Atzen singen. Disco Pogo, Ding-a-ling-a-ling, Ding-a-ling-a-ling, und alle Atzen singen. Die Masse rockt, wir sind bekloppt, mit Bogen, stockt und stoppt der Rock. Wir baden in der Menge, darauf hab ich Bock. Disco Pogo, Atzen Logo, Atzen Style ist Disco Pogo, Atzen rasten nicht an Tacken, feiern mit dem Atzen Logo, schubsen, drücken, hüpfen, springen, raufen, saufen, tanzen, Bogen, Atzen Party Dingeling, Atzen Party Dingeling, Atzen Party Dingeling, Atzen Party Dingeling, Disco Pogen, unser Ding, Disco Pogen, unser Ding.
Disco Pogo.
Check the vibe.
On the boulevard of Linden, we used to kick routines and the presence was fitting. It was I, the abstract,
and me, the 5-foot. I kicks the mad style, so step off the Frankfurter.
Yo, Fife, you remember that routine? That way used to make spiffy like Mr. Clean.
A tidbit, a smidgen. I don't get the message, so you got to run the pigeon.
You're on point, Fife.
All the time, tip.
You're on point, Fife.
All the time, tip.
You're on point, Fife.
All the time, tip.
So then grab the microphone and let your words rip.
Now here's a funky introduction of how nice I am. Tell your mother, tell your father, send a telegram. I'm like an energizer, cause you see I last long. My crew is never ever whack because we stand strong. Now if you say my style is whack, that's where you're dead wrong. I slay that body in El Segundo, then push it along. You'll be a fool to reply the Fife is not the man. Cause you know, and I know, that you know who I am. A special shout out piece goes out to all my pals, you see. And a middle finger goes for all you punk MCs. Cause I love it when you whack MCs despise me. They get vexed, I will next, gonna contest me. I'm just a fly MC who's 5 for 3 and very brave. On top remaining, no home training cause I misbehave. I come correct and full effect of all my hoes in check. And before I get the butt, the gym must be a rep. You see, my aura's positive, I don't promote the junk. See, I'm far from a bully and I ain't a punk. Extremity of rhythm, yeah, that's what you heard. So just clean out your ears and just check the word. Check the vibe, y'all. 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 Check the vibe, back in the days on the boulevard of Linden, we used to kick routines and the presence was fitting. It was I, the Viper.
And me, the abstract. The rhymes were so rumpin' that the brothers wrote the Zach.
Hey yo, Tip, do you recall when we used to rock those fly routines on your cousin's block?
Let me see. Damn, I can't remember. I received the message and you will play the sender.
You're on point, Tip.
All the time, Fife.
You're on point, Tip.
Yeah, all the time, Fife.
You're on point, Tip.
You're all the time, Fife.
So play the resurrector
Yeah.
and give the dead some life.
Okay, if knowledge is the key, then just show me the lock. Got the scrawny legs, but I move just like Luke Brock with speed. I'm agile, plus I'm worth your while. 100% intelligent black child. My octa presentation sizzles the retina. How far must you go to gain respect? Well, it's kinda simple, just remain your own, or you'll be crazy, sad, and alone. Industry rule number 4080. Record company people are shady. So kids watch your back, cause I think they smoke crack, I don't doubt it. Look at how they act. Rip off the better things like a hip hop forum. Pass me the rock and I'll score 'em with the core and proper. What you say, hammer? Proper. Rap is not pop, if you call it that, then stop.
Það ekki margir sem vídeo sér að æla 2500 æla. Góður það? Alveg að vera það sko. Ég náði þessu fyrir lift og